In this video, we'll be looking at screen modes. Screen modes are just layouts of your working interface to work with. Now, it's just an icon that tells you or that toggles your screen for you. Maybe you want to work in a full screen mode. You don't want to see all these panels, all these menus, the tools panel. You can just toggle the screen mode. Okay. And now, before I show you what the screen mode is, I'll quickly tell you the shortcut key for screen mode is to press F. Okay, and the screen mode is just underneath your toolbar. To change that, under your toolbar you see an icon that looks like tabbed windows. Okay, now when you just click that, you discover that you toggle your screen mode. Okay, I just click that. Now, when you click on that arrow, you discover that you have three basic screen modes. You have the standard screen mode, you have the full screen mode with menu bar, and you have the full screen mode. Okay, now this is the full screen mode, and if to exit the full screen mode, you just press your escape key and it goes back to the standard screen mode. Okay, so that is what the screen mode does, and you might find it useful in one way or the other, but that is what the screen mode does. Now you can press F to toggle that as well. It does the same thing. Okay, another way to change your screen mode if you don't want to use the icon or the tools panel here or the shortcut key F like we said before is to go to your view menu at the top of your application, and down the menu you will see screen modes, and you see the three screen modes with the active screen mode checked. So currently we have the standard screen mode active, but you can also toggle to the full screen mode with menu bar and the full screen mode without menu bar. Now this is the full screen mode with menu bar, and coming down you can change to the full screen mode. Now this one is saying the full screen mode panels are hidden. They can be accessed on the sides of the screen or reviewed by pressing the tab key. Okay, so while in the full screen mode, you can return to standard screen mode by pressing F or escape. Okay, now when you click that, you get the full screen. Okay, now it says if you want to access any of the panel, you can do that by pressing your tab key, which is exactly what we've seen here. Okay, and after accessing your tab key or panels, you can as well press the tab key to go back to normal or to default, which is as in the full screen mode. And then if you want to exit the full screen mode, you press the escape key or the F key, just like series of Fs gives you your document or your working document at different screen modes. Okay, so that is what screen mode is, and in our later video we're talking about Bridge, which is an application that looks like File Explorer, but we'll talk about that in our next video.